with Rose. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about benefits of sunlight to humans and plants. When natural sunlight hits the skin, it triggers the body's production of vitamin D. Vitamin D is also known as the sunshine vitamin. It is a crucial ingredient for overall health, protects against inflammation. Do yoga at the early morning, that makes your brain relax. Plants need photosynthesis because it generates the food and energy they need for growth and cellular respiration. For plants to perform photosynthesis, they require light energy from the sun, water, and carbon dioxide. If there is no sunlight, the plants would die. Health benefits of sunlight: burns fat, boosts energy, improves eyesight, promotes weight loss, improves endocrine health, improves quality of sleep, improves blood circulation, boosts the immune system. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.